In today's video, I'm going to teach you to get circle shapes in CapCut PC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, customizable circle on your video using CapCut's built-in tools and how to adjust it so it looks polished and intentional. Start by opening CapCut on your computer and creating a new project. Import your video by clicking the import button or dragging your file into the media panel. Once it appears in your media library, drag the clip onto the timeline so you can see it in the preview window and work with it directly. Next, head over to the stickers section on CapCut PC. You'll find this in the left side panel. Click stickers and then use the search bar to type circle. You should see a variety of options, including solid circles and outlines. Choose a style that matches your goal. For example, a solid circle is great for call-outs or emphasis, while an outline creates a clean frame around a subject without blocking the video underneath. Add the circle to your project by clicking it or dragging it onto the timeline. It will appear as a sticker layer above your video. Select the circle in the timeline to reveal its controls. In the preview window, drag the circle to where you want it on the screen and use the corner handles to resize it. If you need it precisely centered, look for the alignment guides that appear as you move it. Those guides help you snap it to the middle. Now adjust it to fit your video. With the circle selected, check the editing panel on the right. Depending on the sticker you chose, you can often change its color to match your brand or the scene, tweak the thickness if it's an outline, and modify the opacity for a softer, more subtle look. You can also rotate it slightly if your composition calls for it. In the timeline, lengthen or shorten the sticker clip so it appears exactly when you want, either for a brief highlight or for the entire duration of your video. Just click and drag the ends of the sticker layer to set the timing. Press play to preview how it looks. Make small adjustments to the position, size, and color until the circle feels balanced in the frame and doesn't distract from your main subject. That's all there is to it. You've added a clean circle shape in CapCut on PC, customized it to your style, and aligned it with your video. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating.